Hi, everyone. Thank you for having me here. Uh, as you can imagine, being a queer person being invited to a service on a Sunday to receive funds, which is very kind. I got up at 6 a.m. this morning to check every outfit that I had to go. Is this respectable?
We don't require respectable, as you can tell.
I work in construction. I run a small construction company, traffic control, and so most of what I have are run-down boots and torn-up blue jeans. So coming here this morning, and the first thing that I see is the ex-board president having a blue wig on. I feel like I'm not doing enough as board president for PFLAG now. Thank you so much for inviting us to be a part of your consciousness. I am so incredibly blessed. What PFLAG is nationally is a program that's about 50 years old. It was founded by a mother just trying to host a conversation with other parents to accept their kids for being queer. That's it. That's all. And as a person who grew up in Central Oregon at 14, I had a difficult time coming out, and there wasn't a lot of acceptance. If you can imagine Redmond during the early 2000s, it was an event. But the program that was there that hosted conversations was PFLAG Central Oregon. And so 25 years later, being able to be here and give back to something that gave me hope to live has been one of the greatest honors of my existence. And seeing that each of you are also interested in giving back, it brings my heart a lot of joy. Because let me tell you, there's scary stuff going on. And I do not want to get political, but what really matters is each of these souls that experience something different than heteronormativity, they're just as valid of an experience. They're an expression of love and light in the universe. Mm-hmm. So, every month we hold a conversation at Nativity Lutheran, but we also hold it online. I host, forgive me, I'm also a nerd, like a 16 plus LGBTQ Dungeons and Dragons campaign. Everyone is welcome because the goal is to provide acceptance. This upcoming Tuesday and second Tuesday in November, we're holding a trans panel, and that's a hot topic issue for people. Whatever your feelings are, ultimately the goal is to make people feel valid, to get to the next stage of their life and express themselves however they feel most pure and genuine. Mm-hmm. Thank you so much. You're invited to come along, listen to a panel of 4 people on the entire spectrum of non-binary, female to male, male to female, however they choose to express. Ask questions. We're a safe place in which we know sometimes you just don't know. And we want to be able to help you in that journey to provide acceptance to all of our souls. So thank you again for your consideration. I have some materials out front, but you can find us at centraloregonpflag.com, and I'd love to see you guys there, and I'm so excited to be blessed with your presence in Bend. Thank you.
Card and a check for you, and thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, thank you guys. You actually just raised enough for us to give a scholarship.